Thank you to Saillong for sending me this bird bath copper disc. It is 99.99% copper, and it's designed to help keep your bird bath water clean for the birds. It is anti-algae, antimicrobial, antifungal. It's shaped like a floral medallion. And you get 2 of them, and as you can see, it's really pretty in the bird bath. And it will help to keep the water clean from algae. And we'll put the other one in too, and it has quite a bit of weight to it, so it's very solid. It's very attractive. And it's a great addition to your garden, and it certainly helps the birds.